Hello students, now we will start exercise 9.5 homogeneous equations. In this exercise we will discuss how to find general and particular solution of homogeneous differential equation. First of all, we will learn what are homogeneous equations. Homogeneous equations are those in which degree of variable is same. For example, if I will write x square plus xy plus y square equals to 0. Now this is homogeneous equation because here degree of x 2, y 2, x and y 1 plus 1 again 2. So throughout the equation the degree is same. So this type of equations are known as differential equation. Homogeneous equation. If it contains derivative term dy by dx, then it will become differential homogeneous equation. So we will discuss first question. X square plus xy into dy equals to x square plus y square into dx. First of all, you have to check either you can separate the variable or not. If you can't separate the variable, then move to the next type, that is homogeneous. See, degree 2, 1 plus 1, 2, x raised to power 2, y power 2. So, whole equation is of the power 2. So, this is known as homogeneous differential equation because it contains derivative terms. Here, now shift dy by dx to one side and whole term to one side. In this type of question, we have to do the substitution. We have to do the substitution y is equals to vx. V is a variable, is in the form of x. So we have to take the derivative dy by dx is equals to product rule, first function derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first, because b is a function of x. So dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. Now substitute these values into this differential equation. Dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. On right hand side, x here as it is. Vy will replace with vx. So v square x square in denominator, x square plus x into vx. So take x square common from numerator and denominator, it will cancel. We will remain with 1 plus v square upon 1 plus v. Now you can easily separate the variable x dv by dx equals to 1 plus v square upon 1 plus v minus v. Simplify it by taking the LCM. V square cancel, so 1 minus v upon 1 plus v. Clear? Now we can easily separate the variables. Shift this whole term to the left hand side and x and dx to the right hand side. It will become 1 plus v upon 1 minus v into dv equals to dx upon x. Now we can take its integration. Take its integration. How you will take its integration? First of all, multiply with minus. Because we have to make the numerator and denominator same, first of all I am taking the integration of only left hand side. Now minus 1 can be written as 2, 1 minus 2. Clear? So it will become 1 minus v upon 1 minus v minus 2 upon 1 minus v into dv. So it will become 1 minus 2 upon 1 minus v dv. So v minus 2 log of 1 minus v. If you will take minus sign, then it will become positive. This is the integration of left hand side. Now take the integration of right hand side. It is very easy. Log of x. So right hand side it will become log of x and constant term I will write log of c. So replace now b with the yx. b is equals to y upon x minus y upon x plus 2 log y upon x is equal to log x into c. So this is the solution. Further it's your choice, you can simplify it or you can give it here. So this is your solution of this differential equation. This is of homogeneous type. Here next question, second question, see. Next second question, y dash equals to x plus y upon 1. Now here it is again homogeneous. Degree of each variable is 1. Again we will use y is equals to vx. So dy by dx will become v plus x into dv by dx. Now replace the equation with variable v, x plus vx upon x. Take x common, it will remain only with 1 plus v. It is very easy question. V term will be cancelled. So dv is equals to 1. Separate the variables. So it will become dv is equals to dx upon x. Now take its integration. So v is equals to log of x plus log of c. So y is equal, v is equals to v upon x is equals to log x c. Take exponential. So this is your complete solution. Clear? Next we will solve question number 6. X into dy minus y dx equals to square root of x square plus y square is equal to d. Now we have to check either this is homogeneous or not. This is homogeneous because square term is in the square root. If you will take the square root of square term, it will remain only with 1 degree. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Each term is containing 1 degree. So this is a homogeneous equation. First of all, take dy by dx. Shift this term to right hand side and take dx common. So dy by dx is equals to y plus square root. Now put y is equals to vx. See, y is equals to vx. So dy by dx is equals to v plus x into dv by dx. By dx x square v square x square upon x. From the square root term take x square common. Out of the square root it will remain only with x. Take x common. V plus square root of 1 plus v square. So v will be cancelled. So x dv by dx is equals to square root of 1 plus v square. Now we can separate the variables. dv upon square root of 1 plus v square is equals to dx upon x. Now take its integration. Integration of this term is equals to log of x plus log of v plus square root of 1 plus v is equals to log of x and constant term we can write log of c. Clear? So v plus square root of 1 plus v square is equals to x into c. Here v is equals to y upon x. Clear? Next, question number 7 again same. You have to y is equals to vx and then take its integration. Next we will solve 10th question. There is an exponential function 1 plus e raised to power y by x into dx plus e raised to power x upon y 1 minus x upon y into dy. Here is again x upon y. So the whole term is in the form of x upon y. Clear? So you can put here x is equals to v1. Clear? Now take the derivative. It's easy to put y is equals to vx because its derivative is easy. Rest it's your choice. You either put x equals to vy or y is equals to vx. If you will put x equals to vy, then it will become not in fraction part. So we will take this. Y is the function of v is the function of y. X is again the function of y. So dx upon dy. Now we will take the derivative with respect to y. With respect to y. Clear? So differential equation will become, first of all, dx by dy to one side and rest of the term to the right. Now replace x upon y with v. Now substitute the values. Left hand side v plus y dv by dy is equals to minus e raised to power v 1 minus v upon 1 plus e raised to power v. Now there is a v shifted to right hand side, minus ev 1 minus v. Take the LCM. This term will get cancelled. So we are left only with now separate the variables and take the integration. V terms to the one side. Now take the y variable to one hand side, 1 plus ev upon ev plus v into dv. This negative side is on right hand side, minus dy upon y. Take the integration both sides. Now see, derivative of the denominator is in the numerator. Derivative of ev is ev. Derivative of v is 1. So its integration will become log of ev plus v, right hand side log of y minus log of y, and constant term we can write log of c. So it will become e raised to power v plus v minus y, or you can say y raised to power minus 1 c upon y. So this is complete solution where v is equals to x upon y. So this is your complete solution. Next 11 onwards we have to find the particular solution with the given condition. First question, 11th question, x plus y into dy plus x minus y into dx equals to 0. First of all, see, this is a homogeneous equation. Each term is of one degree. So dy by dx is equals to minus x minus y upon x plus y. Put y is equals to bx. So left hand side will become b plus x into dv by dx equals to minus y can be replaced with bx. Take x common. So we are left with minus 1 minus b upon 1 plus b. Shift v to right hand side. Minus 1 plus b minus b. Take the LCM. v will be cancelled. So left hand side x into dv by dx, right hand side minus 1 minus b square upon 1 plus b. Take minus common and use the identity a square minus b square, or leave it as it is. Shift the variables, separate the variables. 1 plus b upon 1 plus b square is equals to minus dx upon x. Now take the integration. If you will take the integration, right hand side is minus log x and constant you can take log of c. Now you have to take its integration. See, its derivative is in numerator. V square derivative is 2v. First of all, you have to separate the integration. Plus v upon 1 plus v square d. Multiply and divide by 2. Its integration is tan inverse v plus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus v square is equal to minus log of x plus, you can write c or log c because it's just a constant. Now we have to find the value of c. First of all, replace v with yx. Conditions are y1 x1. Replace y and x by 1. So tan inverse 1 plus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus 1 minus log of 1 plus c. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Half tan inverse 2, log of 2 equals to log 1 is 0 equals to c. So this is the value of c. Replace your solution c pi by 4 plus half of log 2. So this is your particular solution. Clear? First of all, find the general solution. Then by using the given condition, find the value of c. Now replace this c with this term. So this will become your particular solution. Clear? Next question, we will solve question number 13th. See, 13th question. 13th question, each term containing 1 degree. So this is a homogeneous equation. First of all, find dy by dx. dy by dx is equals to minus x sin square y by x minus y upon x. Now put y is equals to vx. So v plus x into dv by dx is equals to minus x sin square v minus vx upon x. Take x common. So minus sin square v minus minus plus v. V will be cancelled. So here let's separate the variable. dv upon sin square v is equals to minus dx upon x. Take the integration. Sin square can be written as cosecant square v dv minus log x plus c. Now integration of cosecant square is cot minus cot v is equals to minus log of x plus c. Now replace v with y by x. Now using the given condition, we have to find the value of c. Given conditions are y is equals to pi by 4, x is equals to 1. Y is equals to pi by 4, x equals to 1. Cot pi by 4 is 1, 0 plus 6, so c is equals to minus 1. So particular solution will become minus cot of y by x minus log of x minus 1. So this is your particular solution. Next 14-15 question same. First of all find the general solution and then using the condition find the particular solution. Rest 2, 16 and 17 are MCQs. 16th question, dx upon dy at x upon y type. So we will do the substitution x is equals to vy. Third option. Similarly 17th, there are 4 choices. You have to check which is a homogeneous equation. First of all see, in this equation constant term is there and its degree is 0. 2 but there is 3. Only D option is of a homogeneous form. Clear? So D option is correct. Clear? This is your exercise 9.5 homogeneous equation. Thank you so much.